Hello everyone. Take two sections of the hair from either side and then tie it up at the back. Roll the hair in on itself and then make two ponytails at the back. After this, add a rubber band to the middle section of each of these ponytails, roll the hair in on itself and then pull it through the top section as such. Tie a rubber band at the base of it and then add another rubber band at the bottom. Once again, roll the hair in on itself, tighten it up and then lift it up, insert it into place and then add some clips to put it in place. Take two sections from either side of the hair and then tie it up at the back. Once again, roll the hair in on itself. Divide the hair into two parts, make two ponytails out of it. Now pull one section through the top section as such and do the same with the other side as well. Once you do this, tie a rubber band at the end of it and once more roll the hair in on itself as such. After you pull it through, bring it through the top and then insert a pin to make it stay in its place. You may insert the pin at the bottom or even tie a rubber band to it as such. Next, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, tie a low ponytail as such. Add another rubber band in the middle section of the hair. Make a gap in the middle, roll the hair in on itself as such. Now lift it up, add another rubber band at the base of the scalp. Now after this, make a division, make it into a bun and then tie up the excess in place as well. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, add a rubber band to the middle of the section. Spread out the center, roll the hair in on itself, and then pull it through the top as such. Take two more sections from either side, tie it up at the back. Now add another rubber band in the middle. Once again, roll the hair in on itself, and then pull it through the top as such. Add decorative pins. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, divide the back section of the hair into two parts into two ponytails. Now begin to braid both of these ponytails. First start with the left side and then pull it through the right side top section as such. Tie a rubber band including the braid into the second part. Now roll the hair in on itself for the second part, lift it up onto the other side and then tie it up in place. You may use bobby pins to make it stay in place. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Now take the rest of the hair, twist it and then pull it through the top section. Do the same on the other side. Now at the bottom, begin to braid the hair as such. Roll the braid up and tie it up. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, tie another rubber band in the middle section. Roll it in on itself and then pull it through the top. At the base, tie a low ponytail. Now taking the two sections we made at the bottom, pull it through the top. Add another rubber band at the base, roll the hair in on itself and then pull this section to the top as well. Add a rubber band at the bottom and pin it up. Next, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Make two divisions out of each of the ponytails that you have made, roll it upwards and then tie it up in place. Start off by tying a ponytail, then take a multiple pronged pin, put it from the bottom to the top as such. After this, separate the top into two parts and then push it from the top to the bottom and set it in the right side. Taking the two sides, begin to braid the hair as such. Once you have braided it, pin it up, crisscross it and then use bobby pins or any other pin to make it stay in place. This is what it should look like. Make sure that you roll the base at the bottom and then make them cross as such. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Divide the bottom of the hair into two parts as such. After this, taking the left section of the hair, pull it through the right side and do the same with the left section. Begin to braid one side of it, that is the right side, and after that, pin it up onto the left side as such. Do the same with the left side of the hair. As for the excess, pin it up in place. We have used bobby pins to fasten it in place. Thank you for watching.